Alright guys, welcome to RC Mojo. This week, or rather yesterday, we were at Wings and Wheels at North Weald Airfield in Essex. We've got planes, trucks, boats, some full-size American cars, even an area dedicated to drones, a bit of all sorts really. It was really rather windy and I forgot my external mic and dead cat, so a lot of the audio isn't great. Plus there was almost constant music through the PA. But we'll give it a go and see what happens. Right, first up we have the always present Tamiya truck-in. I could be wrong, but I think the ratio of trucks to layout is starting to get a bit one-sided. It's almost becoming a ring road with a car park, or truck park in the middle. The elevated road and bridge are of course great, but I think there's something missing from the layout. Still stayed for quite a while watching the trucks though. Outside we have the mainstay of Wings and Wheels, the wings. Every year there's more and more jets. It must be getting towards 50-50 with the props these days. And as much as I do like a good jet engine, most of them aren't the most exciting to watch. Add some vectored thrust and you might be getting somewhere. You really can't beat a nice prop plane for extreme aerobatics. Next we've got the boats, and as usual there was quite a few clubs showing members' boats and other floaters. They used to be in a big tent, so it's nice that the organisers let them outside. In the pool there were lots of scale boats doing circuits, some really well put together and highly detailed builds. What caught my eye though were these little high speed boats. I'm not sure who makes them, but they do look like a lot of fun. Fast, robust and self-righting. I could easily be tempted to get one if I had somewhere to run it. I think the full-size boaters might get a bit miffed if I tried it on the Thames. A bit further up we have the Bring and Buy. Lots of models for sale there. As usual, most were priced a little on the high side, but that's typical. I was very tempted by a couple of the basket cases, as it's an awful lot of fun getting the engines running and repairing the airframes. Right now though, I don't have anywhere to fly anything bigger than a park flyer, so there wasn't much point in actually buying anything. Around the back of the show there was another club with lorries and diggers. I really should have asked who they were. They could have done with a banner. Either way, they were having fun repositioning the pile of dirt while the crowds watched. A simple but fun club stand. Next to them were the Daleks and Astro Droids. I just missed them doing a tour, but suffice to say they're always a good hit with the kids. Then we have a rather neat crawler track from SCRC. Lots of simple wooden obstacles for the trucks to climb over, although the 90-degree turn after the bridge was a bit tight for the TRX4. The slide did work a treat though. For RC, that just leaves the drone show, which I only managed to record some of the tiny whip racing, sort of. I used the GoPro for the wide angle and somehow managed to set it in time-lapse mode. If we freeze frame it here and there, you can see the quads though, tiny as they are. I think as time goes on, model shows are going to have to change. Years ago there were more traders than you could browse in a day. There were always show prices and special deals. It was good fun shopping around. These days that's largely gone. Most people just buy online, so the traders just drop out. In a lot of cases it's simply not worth their time. I'm glad for the ones that still come out of course, and I'll always try and save up a list for the shows, but it's always tempting just to go on eBay or Amazon. I think the future of model shows is going to be club displays and mixed events. There's not that worry with transmitter control these days. Within reason, you can run an awful lot of 2.4 GHz radios without issue. Seeing some more classic cars, maybe some lorries and bikes too. I wonder if a military vehicle club could be tempted. Either way, I think it's still the best show of the year, Western Park being a close second, although I did miss that one this year. I hope it continues for many more years. From me then, that's it. So as always, thanks for watching. I'm going to leave you with some random clips to fill out the rest of the video. Next week we've got some more Tamiya Wrecker. We're still trying to sort out the wiring, and I think we're going to be getting some things ready for some paint. See you next week. Bye guys.
coming down to a lovely landing. Oh, a little bit of a bump there from Greg. Oh, no, stop. Oh, good job, there's a bit of wind coming there, otherwise that would have been a tip stall.